Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Chuck Creation Designs. Okay, y'all. Do you remember these? I did a haul on these, I'm going to say some months ago. I'm trying to remember if I did the haul this year or was it last year. I'm not even sure. But anyway, y'all, I am going to be doing a project using these right here. And I got these from Dollar General. These are classic wood pieces. You get 60 pieces because I remember doing a haul showing y'all what I got, but I don't remember whether or not if I actually did the project on this. So I am going to be doing a project because I remember telling y'all where I got them from. And also I remember showing y'all the shapes because you get butterflies, you get circles, you get tulips, the number sign, across, triangles, star. This I don't remember the stars. The stars. This is either to me like a donut or a flower, whichever one. These, I'm confused when it comes to these. I don't know what these are. These mirrors or something? I'm not sure. And some tulips and a bird, some doves, and I didn't see this, a moon. Yeah. So I wanted to just come to y'all really quick because I didn't know whether or not, I remember showing y'all the haul that I did on it, but I'm not sure whether or not if I did a project on it. So I will be coming to you all with a project on these wooden beads. These are the beads, like I said, that I got from Dollar General. And, okay, these are good quality, small little beads. I mean, listen to me, wooden beads, wooden. Okay. And you can paint, you can do anything with these. But I am going to bring y'all a project with that, okay? So with that being said, I want to take the time to say thank you all for clicking onto this video. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. And to my new subscribers, thank you so very much for joining me. And to my super supporters, I'm not going to say old, but my super supporters, I want to thank you all for all your support, for your thumbs ups, for your writing me a comment. And I've been trying really hard, y'all, to get back to those comments. That's one of the things, one of my goals that I want to do this year is make sure I get back to the comments. Now, if y'all write a comment on some of my older videos, sometimes it takes me a while to even get back to those. But I am really trying to get back to my comments, y'all. So with that being said, I want to say thank you all for all y'all support. I greatly appreciate it so very much. And until the next video, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.